Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Margarita from my lifestyle journals. Many of you know that I have lost 20 pounds in 4 months eating low carb keto. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make my keto pancake. First of all, take melted butter. Here I have grass-fed butter, but if you don't have grass-fed, you can use any butter you have. Now I'm going to have one cup of whole milk, which I use the Fairlife milk. If you are in Canada or US, you will see this brand. I like Fairlife whole milk, so I'm using that one. It is lactose free. And then you're going to have 2 eggs, whole egg. You do not need to separate any white or yellow portion. So then mix it very well. Oh, sunglass. When mixing is done, then you take 1 cup of almond flour and then mix it very well with your fork, spoon, or anything that you like to use, that's okay. Once it's mixed, add baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Then take 2 teaspoons of monk fruit, that is keto sweetener, or you can use any sweet that you like. Because I wanted to have this keto or low carb, that's why I'm using monk fruit. You can use swerve or allulose, or if you don't want to be keto or low carb, you can use any regular sugar that you always use. I like to see this is sweet enough for me and my family, so that's why I'm testing. Now take some avocado oil before frying the pancake so that it will not stick on into the pan. You can use cup like this to have a round shape. Sometimes I use spoon, but I found it if I use cup like this, it looks prettier. Then cover it and let it cook for a few minutes. You have to come back and see if it is cooked, then you have to flip it. Now open the cover and see if it is cooked. It looks cooked, so now it's time to flip it. So if you don't have enough oil in the fry pan, it might be harder for the first time, but the second time it gets easier. Wow, look at that. It turned out so good. It looks so pretty. And I cannot believe this is keto friendly. It's keto pancake. It looks and tastes better than regular pancake. And it only have 2.5 net carbs for each for 8 pancakes. So this is like if you are in weight loss journey or you want to eat low carb, this breakfast is so good and you can have it. So do the same process, flip it when it's done and check both sides. When the pancake is well cooked, then you can take it out in a plate and then you can enjoy your pancake. This seems good enough for me, so I'm going to take it out. And now I have 8 pancakes, which has 2.5 net carbs each. You can have 6 pancakes or 10 pancakes depending on the size, the pancake you are making, and enjoy with any keto syrup or butter or egg. I like to have eggs, so I'm going to have with egg. Now I am offering my son this pancake and he loved it so much. I gave him with the maple syrup and he was enjoying this pancake and he asked for this more. And in my breakfast, I'm having 3 pancakes and 2 eggs. Sometimes I use maple syrup or keto syrup, or sometimes I just eat by itself or butter. But I love to have eggs, so I am enjoying this with my egg. And this is one of my favorite breakfasts in my weight loss journey. This helps me to stay on track, lose more weight, or maintain my weight. If you like this kind of recipes, please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends or family. And if you are in your weight loss journey and you want to have a guide, I have e-guide in the description box and also have free meal plan. So grab from there and let me know if you try this recipe, how did you like it? And I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.